Hey, it's me, Zephyr Brox, the British Tech Guru. I'm continuing on my experiments with 3D printing. Now, this one I abandoned, and I have been finding that the prints are not sticking to the pad, this pad. That one I used this stuff, glue stick, and it worked a little bit, but the corner peeled up. I have no idea why. I have also tried, somebody else recommended, hairspray. So I used this cheap hairspray. That didn't work either. Now the original spray that was on the pad seemed to work, but nothing I've tried since does. I do not know what the manufacturer put on the pad to make it work. Now I'm trying another tack right now. Somebody suggested that instead of using the pad, I just use some sketch paper or art paper, same difference. It's kind of an absorbent paper, which I'm using here, and I've taped that down. Now where is it? There we go, with this removable double-sided tape. Now it seemed to be working, but let's zoom in a little bit and see if we can zoom in right there. And I think we can see that the corner is beginning to lift a little bit. I don't know why, but I'm going to wait and see what this turns out like. But I have no great thoughts about it being, or no great expectations that it's going to be a good print. And the part of the problem, I believe, and I think the problem is the humidity, which is currently 58%. It is 93 Fahrenheit in here, and 58%, 57% humidity. I gather 3D printing does not like high humidity, so that could be the problem, but I can't do anything about that.